Hi, good morning, guys. It's Easter Sunday today. Happy Easter, everyone. We just done our Sunday biking in the park and we're just finishing this cleaning. But today is a special day. We're gonna do something for Easter. I think we're gonna do some nice recipe. And bear with me, uh, because it's Sunday. We have to do some authentic Filipino recipe, and it's all our my version, and it's famous on Latin America called ceviche. So let me just finish this one and happy Easter. Hi, good morning, guys. Happy Easter, everyone. As I've said, today, this Sunday, we're gonna do some traditional recipe from my country, Philippines. So we're gonna do ceviche, but in our language it's called kinilaw. So uh, we're gonna do it today. It's a lovely day, sunny, but we are still on isolation. We have to stay at home here in Liverpool, United Kingdom, or England. So I'm gonna get into it because I'm starving. This recipe is really famous in our country. We do this one every time we have an occasion, like weddings, birthdays, and all the fiesta in our place. So we always have this one. But you can do whatever version you have to. This time, my version in our city, Cagayan de Oro city, we are famous to do the sinuglaw. It means kinilaw and grilled pork belly. I think I have that one in my blog. I will link below how to do that one as well. Uh, so this is the recipe I create myself. It's my own version of ceviche. Actually, this ceviche thing is famous in Latin America, down to I think Bahamas, Trinidad, Jamaica, down to Panama, until I think in Chile, in I think in Chile, in Argentina to Brazil, they do this one at their own version as well. So this recipe have lots of version. It's like sushi in Japan, but in Philippines it's called kinilaw, ceviche, my own version. So I will show you the ingredients I use, and also there's no need to cook on this one. We all have to mix it and you have to cut it on your own. So here I will show you the ingredients I use. Alright, so you could use any kind of fish at this time. We use the salmon, it's only available here in our place in England, Liverpool. So we use the salmon. Uh, I like it hot, so I use chili, 3, 4 chilies. I use the salted egg as well, and some coconut milk. Uh, I use some lime, lemon, onions, red onions, and ginger, salt and pepper. But I use the white ground pepper. That's it, instead of the black one. So I use also the 7-Up, and we're gonna mix the 7-Up with our salmon. So I got some spring onions here to put it on the top, and some. I also use the pork crunch, but be careful of this one because it's a bit salty, so you don't have to add more salt on it, just to be moderate. So the way it goes, this recipe is you have to mix the 7-Up, or mix it with salmon a bit, and then mix everything uh, on the dish. So let me just show you how to do it. Before we start, you have to make sure that you wash your hands. It's very important you wash your hands because on this recipe we all gonna use our hands. So the first steps you have to do is put the 7 Up on. Put your 7 Up on the salmon and make sure to bubble it up. So the soda on the 7 Up will clean up your fish and to make sure that it doesn't taste fishy. When you remember, we have to do this one as fresh as possible. Drain the salmon or drain your fish. Put it on a mixing bowl and just add on everything. Now it is advisable to leave this one on the last part, the chili, because when you're mixing it, it will burn your hand. So just be careful on that one. And add up your coconut milk. Make sure to always wash your hands. So this is the looks delicious, looks yummy already. You have to put your salt and pepper on it. Our salted is supposed to be like this. So yeah, and once again you have to mix it with your hand. And this time you have to put the chili in. And you're ready to dish up. And we dish up here. Have to. This is only optional. The pork crunch is just to make and add a bit salty on that. That's the recipe. Guys, I hope you like it, and any questions, please just write in the comment section if you have more questions. So this is our finished product of our own recipe, our own version of ceviche. So we put some salted egg on it and coconut milk with 7 Up as our soda to mix the food, to mix the fish, so it won't be a bit fishy on on the taste. So we got salt and pepper, chili, lime and lemon, which is part of the recipe. So I hope you enjoy this one. Until the next time, please don't forget to subscribe, click that like button. If you have more questions, so make a comment, and then I will promise I will reply on whatever your question is. But this recipe is traditional in our home country, Philippines. So we always cook this one on some occasional occasions. So until the next time, cheers, bye bye. Stay at home, stay safe, and save lives. So bye. Alright guys, the bonus recipe for you. Only in the Philippines we eat ice cream with bread. So I'm gonna make like a copycat on that ice cream, my own version. Obviously my own version is always the best because I intend to do things like I put some ingredients what I like the most. So this is my own version of bread with ice cream. So I put some my own ingredients, which is I could buy locally here in Liverpool, UK. So alright, on this recipe we use the some bread or brioche rolls, vanilla ice cream, some syrup, chocolate or strawberry, and he also put the toppings, choco rice, crunchy granola, which is my favorite, or frosted flakes. It's up to you. And this recipe for dessert or just fun snacks is easy to make. So in a bread you just have to put the ice cream and put some, on this occasion we put some chocolate syrup, the dessert is done. That's bread with ice cream. Here's the finished product. It is really yummy. I like a lot of chocolates on my recipe, so this is too much for the dieting people. But if you like sweets, you like chocolate, you're probably gonna enjoy this one. Simple as bread, ice cream, and just a little toppings will do. It will always make your day. So enjoy it. Happy Easter and enjoy the lovely weather here in the UK. And still stay at home, stay safe, and save lives. We are still under the lockdown. Until the next time. Cheers. Bye.